Are you looking for the best essential home repair tools in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 7 best essential home repair tools. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the FatMax 25-foot tape measure. Stanley's FatMax has a wider than typical tape that is less prone to bending and collapsing when extended across a room. As far as length goes, 16 feet is about as short a tape measure as I'd recommend, and 25 is a good size for most homes. This one is marked in standard units, but Stanley also makes metric ones. We've tested a few other tape measures, including standard width Stanley's and Harbor Freight models, but they collapse sooner than the FatMax when extended. Up next in the 6th place is the Fastback utility knife. In my experience, utility knives don't vary that much in effectiveness. It's the replaceable blade that really matters. That said, the Fastback is the best I've used, and you can replace the blade without having to find a screwdriver to take the knife apart. It also folds. You can flick it open and shut it with one hand and it locks securely. Plus the coating is tough enough to last for years. A nice plus is the built-in gut hook for cutting string and plastic ties without opening the knife. Coming in at number 5 is the X-Acto No. 1 precision knife. More knives? Yeah, but this isn't a substitute for a utility knife, or vice versa. A precision knife is used for very delicate jobs in which a utility knife or pair of scissors would be too clumsy or too big. X-Acto knives come in a range of sizes and blade shapes. But the good old No. 1 is my pick of choice for trimming off the edges of painter's tape on wood projects, decals when assembling my nieces' and nephews' toys, and backing paper when framing pictures. It's the size and shape of a pencil, and the blades are cheap, easy to find, and easy to swap when dull. At number 4 we have the 20V Max 1/2-inch cordless drill. 12 volts will do for most home jobs. But if you ever end up having to drill 1/2-inch holes into wall studs to mount a heavy shelving unit or a beefy sound system, you're going to want the extra torque of an 18V or 20V drill. This 1/2-inch chuck will accept bits as large as you need, and at this price, which includes 2 batteries and a charger, it's too good a deal to pass up. The batteries work with more than 200 other DEWALT power tools too. The 3rd product on our list is the black and gold 14-piece drill bit set. For all but the smallest of jobs, it'll go easier if you drill out a hole before driving screws and bolts into a wall. The black oxide coating on these drill bits reduces friction, which speeds up drilling and resists rust. These are good for general use and will handle wood, metal, plastics, wallboard, and fiberglass. Second on our list is the 20 ounces. Hammer. This hammer has all the features needed for general, around the home use, including a smooth head. It's at the top end of that 16 to 20 ounce range, making it perfect for handling most jobs. And it's got a curved claw to pull out nails, which you want. A straight rip claw is more versatile, but unnecessary for most people. Finally, the top product on our list is the L-wrench standard and metric set. Yeah, you can use the cheap ones that furniture makers include when you buy something that uses Allen bolts, hex bolts. But as with screwdrivers, you'll feel the difference with a good set of hex keys. I've bent cheap hex keys while torquing something down and then brought out the Bondhus to finish the job with no problems. The keys in this set, in metric and standard measurements, have a rust-resistant finish and fit snugly in any hex bolt you'll come across. And believe me, apartment dweller or homeowner, there are many hex bolts in your future. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.